We've got a superhero Royal Rumble, and the winner's gonna open a surprise Hot Wheels monster truck. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and for more awesome videos, check out our channel. What's going on, guys? Here's the superheroes that's gonna be battling for that Hot Wheels monster truck. We've got Spider-Man, the Incredible Hulk, Venom, Captain America, Batman, and Iron Man. Here we go. The last superhero left in the ring will be the winner. And the action's already started. Venom's going after Iron Man. Big time move by Captain America. The Incredible Hulk's about to get Batman. Oh, big time move. Iron Man gets suplexed by Venom. Look at Spider-Man go. He's giving Captain America a hard time. Oh, he almost gets Captain America over the ropes. Let's see if Spider-Man can get Captain America out. Oh, there goes Venom. Iron Man almost got Venom. Let's see if he can get him. Big time suplex by Spider-Man. Venom's back in. Oh, the Incredible Hulk almost body slammed Batman. Nice reversal by Captain America. Uh-oh, Incredible Hulk's about to get knocked out. But he recovers. He's back in the ring. Captain America's got Spider-Man almost out. Batman recovers. He's back in the ring. Oh, Venom almost gets Iron Man out. So close. Iron Man's hanging on. Amazing! Iron Man makes it back into the ring. Big time move by Captain America. Spider-Man and Hulk are really battling it out. Look at them go. Venom setting up for a big move. Oh, and Iron Man goes down. Captain America's almost got Batman out. Batman's hanging on. Spider-Man's over the ropes. Whoa, Batman makes it back in. Now Spider-Man's about to go out. He's back in. Iron Man's almost got Venom out. Oh, and Hulk gets Spider-Man out. Spider-Man's our first elimination, and he's not happy. After getting Spider-Man out, Hulk goes after Batman. Venom's almost got Iron Man out, but Iron Man recovers. Hulk's got Captain America. Whoa, what a slam. Iron Man's going after Hulk now. Now Hulk's got Iron Man. Oh, big time slam. Now Captain America's after Hulk. Look at Batman and Venom go. Hulk's almost out. Can Captain America get him out? Whoa, Iron Man almost tosses Batman out. Now Captain America's hanging on. Big time slam. Batman recovers and is back in the ring. Nice move by Batman to get Iron Man down. Whoa, look at that slam. Captain America just slammed Hulk. What a reversal by Hulk! Venom throws Batman. Oh, and then Captain America takes down Venom, and Batman gets to roll back into the ring. Iron Man's down. Looks like Captain America's going to try to throw Iron Man out. Hulk gets Venom. Big time move by Hulk. Oh, and Iron Man goes down. It looks like Hulk was trying to get ready to throw Venom out, but Venom has an awesome reversal. Hulk's got Batman over the ropes. Let's see if Hulk can get Batman out. And Hulk eliminates Batman. That's his second elimination. And Batman's not happy. Now Hulk's about to go out. Iron Man's almost got Hulk out. So close. And Hulk recovers. Iron Man's getting back into the ring. Slams Hulk. Wow, what a battle. Captain America's got Venom. Hulk looking for a big time move. He's going to roll Iron Man out. Iron Man's hanging on though. Amazing! Iron Man makes it back into the ring. I think the Hulk thought he had Iron Man out. Now Iron Man's going after the Hulk. Wow! Venom's got Captain America. And Captain America almost goes out. What a battle! Iron Man back in the ring. Hulk tries to get him out again, and Iron Man's hanging on. Iron Man's trying to get back in. He makes it back in. Iron Man's back out of the ring again. I think Hulk's got him this time. Oh, and Venom goes out. Captain America eliminated Venom with a big time slam. Wow. Now Captain America's going after Iron Man. They're both trying to throw Iron Man out. Amazing. Iron Man makes it. Wow. We're down to our last three. Captain America, Hulk, and Iron Man. Who's going to win that surprise Hot Wheels monster truck? We're about to find out. Big time move by Hulk. Big time slam. Now Iron Man's got Captain America. Hulk's up against the ropes. They're both working to get Hulk out. They've almost got him. Oh, and Hulk gets eliminated. Captain America and Iron Man eliminated Hulk. They teamed up to take Hulk out. Wow. Now Captain America's about to go out. Can Iron Man get Captain America out? So close. And Captain America recovers. Iron Man's going to try to get him out again right away. If Iron Man gets Captain America out, he's going to be our winner. Can he do it? Yes, and Iron Man wins the Hot Wheels Royal Rumble. And he's going to win that Hot Wheels monster truck. That was totally awesome. Check out this instant replay. Wow. And here's the move that got Captain America out. What a battle. And here's your winner, Iron Man. That was amazing. It's time to open our surprise Hot Wheels monster truck. And check it out. We've got the Hot Wheels monster truck WWE Stone Cold Steve Austin truck. Let's open this bad boy up. Check it out. That paint job is totally awesome. Let's do some freestyle. Taking out the crush cars off the ropes. Slams the last crush car out. Big time backflip off the top rope. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.